ano dyan? Swimming pool kayong gitna.
Ayun o. Ang pool. Nando doon. Ayun ang pool o.
Ano saan na? Doon na sa beach? Jida, you want to swim in the beach? Ay, gusto na Jida mag-swimming sa beach, Michelle. Michelle. Gusto niya daw mag-swim.
Sa ocean?
Oh, yeah.
Kasi,
Masarap yun sa dark duck na yan. Pero feel mo parang artificial yung dagat mo. Parang artificial.
There is play there? Yeah, there is mommy. Merong ano doon, inflatable. In the sea.
Makalasarayan nila.
There is no playground here. Jada.
hold tight.
No, you need to sit. Yeah.
Hold,
Hold that. 1, 2.
Ay, binalik yan, hindi naman nabalik yan. Nabalik! Saba. Dali. Saba, din eh. Hold. Hold,
Hold only. Hold. Sit. Kapag malakas ang impact.
Hold.
Hold. Don't go down.
Jaden.
Next, Jaden. You want? No.
Ayun, go there, go down. Look, okay, what he doing. Hindi tayo nakapaganda eh.
Maganda pa ng dagat dito. Go there in the stone.
It was nice. Yeah, there's a car.